Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Analytics for your website. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Google Analytics for your website, begin by visiting the Google Analytics website. If you don't have a Google account, create one to sign in. Once logged in, click on the Start Measuring button to create a new Google Analytics account. Fill in your account name in the provided field. Choose the data sharing settings that suit your preferences and click Next. Select the Web Platform option for website tracking. Fill in your property name, which typically is your website name. Set your reporting time zone to ensure accurate data tracking. Select your currency to match your website's transactions. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Now, provide information about your business, including industry category and business size. Choose your intended use of Google Analytics features, then click Create to finalize. You will be presented with the legal agreements. Read and accept them to continue. Once your account is created, you will receive a tracking ID. Copy the tracking ID provided. Next, you need to integrate this tracking ID into your website. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, install a Google Analytics plugin. Follow the plugin's instructions to paste your tracking ID. For manual installation, access your website's HTML files. Locate the header section of your website's code. Paste the tracking ID snippet right before the closing /head tag. Save your changes to the HTML file. To verify installation, go back to Google Analytics. Click on the Admin tab, then select Tracking Info under the Property column. Click on Real-Time Reports in the left sidebar of the dashboard. Visit your website in a separate tab to generate traffic. If you see active users on the real-time report in Google Analytics, your setup is complete. You can now explore various Google Analytics features to optimize your website tracking. By monitoring user behavior, you can enhance your website's performance significantly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.